Hello folks, and welcome back to the latest edition. This is a research video. I was doing some research on the Triamble branch, which went from Shepherd's to the Triamble mine. We're not looking at the location right this minute. We're just going up and we're going to go pan across to where the railway bridge is or was, and then we go up towards the track. So I'm going to be doing a few more videos on this particular branch. So I hope you enjoy the video. Right, well, no more talking, just enjoy what I filmed. Here we go, folks. So now we're heading back to where we took off from, and of course this is the end part of the video. There is another video of me flying towards Holywell, which I will release over the next day or so, folks. So I hope you enjoy what we've got to offer, and we've got a few more locations lined up for over the next few weeks. So we'll see you all then. So until the next video, cheers and gone, and look after yourselves. Bye, folks.